done. Can't fight without your arms.
Who says I can't still fight? Chainsaw on my head is all I need to end this!
Moron! Didn't my granddad ever teach you to know when to quit? Grovel for his mercy, and I'll put you out of your misery.
You put the dick in predictable. And went for my head like a dipshit! Didn't that rotten old geezer ever teach ya? He should know better than to trust what a hunter says! Should've gone for the leg, sucker!